Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Marigolds are one of the most popular annual flowers, easily grown from seed or transplant, and when given the right conditions, will overflow with bright blossoms that fill a garden or container with cheerful color. Marigolds vary in size from low edging plants to tall cut flowers with blooms that range in mostly solid colors of orange, golden yellow, and white. Sometimes with decorative darker highlights along petals edge. Equally suited for containers as they are in the garden. The blossoms and the foliage emit a clean, crisp scent and are an excellent companion to plant to repel insects and nematodes in the soil. Those who watch our videos know that from all the dry flower seed we plant this marigold from all over the year. In summer, the flower size was small. From the summer flower seed, we planted these plants for the winter. Most of us have one complaint. When we repeatedly do this process of drying the flowers and taking the seeds and planting new plants, the flowers are different from the mother plant. Their color, shape and size are all changed. But that's not true. If you have the same flowers in your garden, then there's no way that the baby plant will be different from the mother plant. As we did not have any single petal flowers in our garden, so when the flowers bloomed, we did not have any single petal flowers. So if you want same to same flower repeatedly, so make sure that you have only one category of flower in your garden. Okay, now let me tell you some simple tips for your plant. First of all, about the light. You need to always know that your plant needs full sunlight. Marigolds prefer fertile soil, preferably loose and loamy with adequate drainage. Planting these plants, my mom already used these fertilizer, so she did not fertilize her soil later on. Right now you can see that my mom are cutting the leaves which are touching the ground. With this, the soil will be more fertile and no insects will be able to come from the soil. And about the watering, marigolds prefer the soil to dry out in between watering. You can check when to water by touching the topsoil. And make sure to not give the water on the plant or the foliages. Only give it directly to the soil. It will lower the chances of pest attacks. And now let me tell you about the pinching. When your plants will have 6 to 8 leaves only, start pinching. This will help your plant get more lateral branching, make your plant bushy, healthy and help your plant get more flowers. And if you wish to, you can also add mulch. This will help your plants not grow any weeds. We also had mulch, but because of this heavy rain in Delhi, we removed all the mulching. Now what will you do if you see any pests in your plant? To prevent the pest attack, you need to first not water on the plant or the foliages. But if your plant already has the attack, make sure to remove the affected part. So if you have any plants of marigolds, this is how you can get the flowers. If you want to know how you can plant this plant in summer, then the video is already in our channel. So if you wish to watch, you can watch the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.